breaking news! New York City and New Jersey are officially under a blizzard warning for 2026. This isn't just a regular storm. Prepare for zero visibility and relentless winds above 55 kilometers per hour for at least 3 consecutive hours. Get ready to be buried. Snowfall could reach a staggering 13 to 18 inches. That's about 45 centimeters. The peak is expected Sunday night into Monday morning. Transportation will be completely paralyzed, so for all of you on the East Coast, please do not leave your homes unless it's an absolute emergency. Stay safe, everyone. If you're currently in New York or the East Coast, comment below and let us know your situation. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates.